Y'all, I just got my Cymbal car vent, and I love it. Let me show y'all everything that it comes with. So these are all the pieces that you need. Now this isn't a normal car, like regular car vent. This is for you music lovers out here. If you love, if you love instruments and things like that, then this is a pretty cool gift to get somebody, or a gift to yourself, right? So you are required to put it together. It doesn't have any type of smell. It's not like a car air freshener or anything like that. It's just a very cool component to put in your car. Also note the size. So this is like pretty large in front of to go in front of your vent, but which is cool because when you're riding and you listen to music, you could just tap it and you can hear it. It even comes with this cool little drum set, right? Drumstick too, so you can hit it while you're in your car, and it'll sound pretty cool. It comes with the extension arm, and you basically place this up here, and you place it on your car, and you can listen to it as you're going along. But if you're looking for a gift, or if you're looking to add something new and exciting to your own car, then I would highly suggest grabbing you one of these, y'all. All right, it does take it'll probably take you about 5 to 10 minutes to put it together, but after that, it's pretty durable. You can tell these are real materials. I love them. It's pretty high quality. All right, y'all. Highly recommend. Peace.